Hi everyone, it's been a while, happy to be back. So today I will be doing a painting on a canvas with my son. I'm very excited to work with him. We will be working with Artist Loft White. We will also be working with Artist Loft Cobalt Blue and Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet. So we have Floetrol and all of our colors, all of our paint, water, and we're going to be adding silicone to our dirty pour. So that's it. Can't wait to see how it turns out. Here we go. So first off, I wanted to say a special thank you to my son for the beautiful choice of colors and letting me assist him. I hope you enjoyed watching us. If you did, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you soon. Bye.